Welcome po sa aking channel. This is my first ever take of new normal delivery of online presentation. Though this is a pre-recorded video, I hope you'd learn something useful that you can use in virtual classes. So please keep on watching on my first ever episode. Ang makikita niyo po sa screen ay ang aking DepEd email account. So let's first try on how to access Google Meet. So the first way on how to access Google Meet is to open a browser and then let's just type meet.google.com. Ayan, ino-open na po natin. So automatically kapag ganyan, mare-redirect ka na dun sa site ng Google Meet. So, ito po yung aking account. Nakikita nyo sa upper right corner ng screen. So, ayan, may ready to join na. Join now. And then, present. Yung sinasabing present on is if ever you are going to present your PowerPoint presentation. Nandito rin po sa gawing taas yung ating code na ibinibigay mo dun sa yung mga ka-conference or let's say for example, kung may klase ka, of course, sa yung mga estudyante. Another way on how to access Google Meet, eto po, meron na po siyang shortcut. Pero before po wala nito eh. Pero eto na siya sa gilid. So, nababasa po ninyo, we have start a meeting and join a meeting. Of course, tayo po ay teacher. Dito tayo sa start a meeting. So, let's try. Ayan, kagaya lang din po nung kanina. So, and then, another way is yung nandito sa 9 button sa tabi ng logo ng DepEd. Ayan, makikita po natin dyan yung mga different apps na available for Google. So, ayan, we have Classroom, Docs, Sheets, Calendar. And then, ito yung Hangout. So, before walang Google Meet po, ito yung meron, yung Hangout. And additional information, alam niyo po ba na si Google Meet can accommodate up to 200 participants during your video conferences. So, ayan. I-try na po natin gamitin. So, ayan. Join or start a meeting. So, makikita ninyo sa screen yung time kung kailan ko to ni-record and today is Monday. So, May 25. So, let's have a title for our lesson. Let's say, for example, graphical representation. Sa research po ito. Representations. Okay. So, ayan. Let's continue. So, joining na po siya. So, I am promoting to everyone na mga kaguro po natin dyan na gamitin po natin yung ating DepEd account. So, alam nyo po ba na yung Google Drive ni DepEd account ay unlimited. So, para hindi mapuno yung ating mga laptop dyan, so, every now and then, pwede natin i-upload kay Google Drive yung mga hindi na natin masyadong kailangan lagi-lagi na mga files. And then, para maluwag pa yung ating laptop, hindi ganong nag-hang. So, ayan po, naka-open na yung ating monitor o yung ating platform dito, whatever you call it. So, meron dalawang icon. One is microphone and then the other one is the camera. No, ayan, naka-off po yung camera ko since meron tayong camera. Okay, join now. So, ayan, ibinigay po ni Google Meet yung ating link. So, let's copy the joining info. And then, you can send it through Messenger na lagi naman pong ginagamit nating mga teachers. But, pwede po siya directly sa Google Classroom. So, if ever meron kayong mga class na po sa Google Classroom, you can send it directly there prior to your classes. So, ayan, isinin ko po sa messenger ng aking anak kay Chloe yung link. So, wait lang po. So, ayan, hintayin po natin. Anak, paki-on mo. So, let's si gamer. Siya po yan. So, ang nakalagay dito, deny entry and admit. So, of course, if she's one of your student, we need to admit. But then again, if halimbawa nanay na gustong join, of course po, i-deny natin. So, admit. So, here, at the top right, meron ditong people. So, makikita natin dito kung sino-sino yung mga naka-join sa atin, sino yung mga participants natin. We can also control yung kanilang audio. So, kapag maingay, hindi maiiwasan yan. Minsan may tumatahol na aso sa kabila, naranasan na namin yan. So, nade-distract yung discussion or yung meeting. So, better na ipamute mo sa kanila, and as a teacher o ikaw yung host na tinatawag, pwede mong i-control yung kanilang audio. And after that, syempre, nakamute sila. They cannot ask questions while you are presenting. Meron ditong chat button. Ito. Yung chat button dito. And then sa chat button, pwede silang magtanong. Like, for example, ikaw, any questions? Oh, and then if meron silang tanong, you can answer it directly kasi ikaw may audio ka naman. Okay, other functions, while ago napansin ninyo yung turn on captions. So while I am talking, you can notice that there is a subtitle below the screen, no? But unfortunately, it can only interpret English language. So, kapag kayo ay nagtagalog, hindi niya ito mai-interpret sa baba. So, i-turn off na lang natin para hindi makadistract sa atin. So, another function, ito, yung merong 3 dots dito. Ito yung mga change layout, full screen, turn on, etc. So, ito yung maganda dito. So, well, having your classes or meetings, you can record the meeting. So, kapag merong isang bata or estudyante na absent siya o hindi naka-attend sa meeting, you can send it. Hindi na sayang, hindi na paulit-ulit. Hindi mo na kailangang ulitin sa kanya yung iyong lesson. So, pipindutin lang yan. And then, we have also the settings for camera and audio, nandito yan. And then use a phone for audio. Alam ko sa US ito, yung nakalink yung kanilang phone sa kanilang Google account. Correct me if I am wrong. So, ito na yung pinakamahalagang part ng Google Meet, which is yung present now. Ayan, i-click natin yan, and then may lalabas your entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. So, try natin yung entire screen. So, ayan yung lumabas. And then, share entire screen. Ayan, stop sharing. Pagka hindi na siya, pagtapos na yung lesson. Hide natin. So, ano yung nakikita dun sa phone na shinare mo? Ito siya. Ayan yung pag-mobile naman yung gamit. Ito yung part na nagpe-present ka, kung ano man yung pine-present mo. And then sa baba, kung sino-sino kayong participants. So, ayun. So, as a teacher, siguro, ideal na sa'yo laptop. And then sa students, kahit wala silang laptop, they can join Meet. Okay, so another thing, pag halimbawa merong nanggugulo o maingay, ayaw nakikinig sa'yo as a teacher, o di pwede mo silang i-remove. Anong ginawa ko? Ito yung icon dito. Pindutin mo lang yan and then remove. And then pwede siyang mag-rejoin, and then it's up to you if you want to admit that participant again. That's the end of our Google Meet presentation. Never stop learning. Stay safe. Stay home. See you next time. Bye!